Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today I'm doing a review and swatches and a tutorial and everything on the Smokey Glow and Midas Cosmetics palette and lip gloss and highlighter duo. So if you want to see a full review and tutorial into these products, then you keep on watching. All my socials and everything are listed down below along with my blog, and also do make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the timestamps along with this video, so if you just want to fast forward ahead to swatches or the tutorial, you can do that. Okay, so we're about to transition into the whole swatches, the tutorial and everything, but you're gonna see that I look different because I filmed that a couple days ago and I forgot to film an intro. So that was my fault, but anyways, so I decided today to film my actual intro. And as you'll see later on in the clip, I talk about the palette and how there are a lot of brown and nude shades. I talk about like these three at the bottom here, this guy over here. And so I thought, you know what? How about I do that look that I said I would do one day, and I did it today. So I did a bit of a halo eye, and I went into first this one on the inner and outer crease. I deepened it out, and then I went in with this Instagram model here in the center, and then I just brightened up the real center here with a rant. So I only used 4 shadows in this one, and it worked really well, and I'm really happy with the look that I have. Again, I will list down below all the products I'm wearing on my face currently. It's very similar to what I was wearing in the actual video. Just for full transparency, why all of a sudden I'm going to transition into like a Donna of 2 days ago, that would be the reason. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go into the lip gloss here first. It is called Sparkle On, and it is so gorgeous. I don't have anything currently on my lips right now, but I think I won't need to after this. And it smells really nice. It just smells like candy. I don't know how else to explain it. It is quite thick, but what I like about it is that it has enough color to it, and it almost looks like in person quite metallic-y. Is that a word? I just made it an adjective, so there we go. But it is really nice, and it doesn't like gloop together or anything. And I've used this a couple times before, so everything in here I've used once. I've used the actual palette once, and this. I'm going to save this for at the end when I have my eyes done. And I'll insert a swatch right here of this lip gloss so you can see what it's like on my hand in natural lighting. There is one other, or there are 2 more colors. I know one was like a red, and I'm not really into red, so I didn't purchase that, but I got this one. So here we go. So next time I'm going into the actual palette. And like I said, I've used this once before. So this is it right here. I'll just kind of push it forward. And I will insert live swatches right here of this palette so you can see along how they perform in natural lighting on my arm.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
From the other look that I created with this palette, I'll throw a picture up right here. I mean, you can definitely see I went into that nutty color right here in the inner corner. And I did talk about this palette on my blog as well. So if you want, you can go check that out. Link is below. But I did create a very pink and purpley kind of look, because that's like what this palette's all about. But it's interesting because there's a lot of like neutral shades that are in here that are kind of, that they don't pop as much. I do want to touch into like these colors here a little bit, but I do want to do a little bit of pink because I'm wearing my, glitter is my favorite color shirt, but I don't want to go into anything too loud. I got a couple places to go today and I want to just keep it a little bit, a little muted today, but still kind of pretty. And I think this palette can really do it. And maybe I'll touch into this one here. What's that? What is that called? Leno. And maybe group chat. There were a lot that I didn't go into. So we're going to play around today. And like always, I'm going to have a picture of the palette right next to me. And I will highlight exactly which one I'm going into and which brush that I'm using. So you can recreate this look along with me.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't. Never make promises.
So there we go. This is the finished look. I just threw on some eyeliner and some mascara. Now to go through this palette, as you saw me just using, the various colors and things like that, I did want to point out some things that like I noticed as I'm going through it. The mattes are really pigmented. Okay. So I went into this one here and this one. And when I'm saying pigmented, but when you put it down, it doesn't just stay there. It allows you to blend, which was really nice. So, I mean, I did have to go back. Once I put the shimmers down, I was like, you know what? I can't see the back, the pink a little bit more. And I was able to kind of add, now that I have these Sigma brushes, like things like this, I can more precisely go in and get exactly where I need the blend and where I need to put a little bit more. So that was really nice. If you haven't checked out my Sigma brush video, then go right here. The shimmers are really great. They lay down really well. And I'll just go a little closer and close the eye so you can see. It's not adding any texture to my eyes, and they blend really well. And it's giving off a really nice kind of nice effect. I have 3 different kinds of shimmer going on. There's a little bit of fallout here. I don't know if you can see. I can see in real life, I think it's coming from the Nutty, although I'm not quite sure which shade it's coming from, but it's really minimal, but it is a little bit of glitter, just something to kind of keep in mind. But I did use a lot of it today, and there's even some in my nose. I don't know how that happened. But again, it's not a deal breaker. Again, for the price that you're getting this at and for the different array of colors. And like I said before, I was like, oh, I'm going to go neutral. And I ended up going pink because I'm like, that's why I wore this shirt. But you can definitely go in like with this dark, like this whole row here and this, you can create a nice neutral look, which I think I'm going to do, you know, some other day with this palette because I haven't done that yet. But of course, I think the main thing with this is all about the pinks and everything. So it worked really well. And so far, I'm really happy with like Midas Cosmetics stuff. So if you haven't given them a try, this is a good palette to kind of start with. And I believe Hannah, like Smokey Glow, has a discount code. Is it for like 30% off or something? So whatever it is, I'll link it down below so you can kind of go. It's not affiliate or anything. I don't make any money off of that. So I just, whatever I post down there is just for you guys to see it. I don't make any money from it. And the last thing we're going to go into for this review of the collection is the highlighter. So it says here, and I just love the packaging. It's like pink sparkles. How can you not just love this to death? You know what I mean? So great. And this is it here. It's Slay or Yas, like Yas or Pass. And I think, you know what? We're going all pink. So we're just going to be pink today. So I want to go into Slay. I'm going to insert some swatches right now so that you can see how it is swatching. I'm going to do a little mini one here just so I can feel what it's like. Okay, it is powdery. Okay, good, good. And not overpowering, so that's good. So I'm going to try and layer it up. I just have a little mirror in here, which is nice. And let's see what this is going to do. Is there any like glitter in there? Not really, no, it's just shimmer. Let's just build that up. I will slightly move. I can see at the angle I'm doing it at right now, but of course I can't see what you guys are seeing, but I'll move. That's nice, and it's a subtle pink. It's subtle. Let's do this side. You probably can see a bit more. That's better. Yeah, it's not like crazy blinding. There we go. Yeah. And just to see what I can do with it, let's do this side first. Just gonna put a little bit on. Yeah, it is powdery enough that you can blend it quite nicely. And it is giving off quite a icy kind of look to it. Let's just even me out here. It is definitely giving a nice glow, but at the same time, it's quite a nice highlighter there. So there we go. This is the final look using the Smokey Glow palette, lip gloss, and the highlighter set. My final thoughts are that it's fantastic and I love it. And I don't have a palette that really does anything kind of like this, especially in these formulas. And knowing that you can create the neutral look and you can create more of the pink and purple look is really great. I've never actually gone into this one here, Jump Cut, so I'd be curious to know how that one kind of works out. But the formula is great and I think it's totally worth the money that I spent. Again, a huge congratulations to Hannah on this collection. I am such a fan of her and have been for, at least a year now. And I know this collection's been out for quite a while, but it was sold out and all that kind of stuff. But you know what? I'm here and I'm doing it now and I'm saying congratulations now. So maybe one day she'll watch this and that will be awesome. Anyways, that's it from me, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then you should check out the other ones that are popping up in your screen right now, because I have a lot of other videos where I do reviews on the newest makeup palettes, and I have a huge makeup collection that I go through as well. I know you're going to find something in there that you're just going to love to watch. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.